Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching Geek Your Way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram instants not working. So, if you open Instagram and then go to inbox, but here you can see Instagram instant not showing. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First, close the app and open App Store. Now here, click on the search icon and then search for Instagram. After that, click on Instagram app suggestion and check if any update is available. If the update is available, then go ahead and update the Instagram app and check if the Instagram instant option is start showing or not. If it is still not showing, click on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen and then click on the three horizontal line at the top. Now here scroll and find content preferences and click on it. Now check the last option, hide instants in inbox. If the toggle is on, then make sure to choose off, and if it is off already, then enable it once and then disable it and check if the option is start showing or not. If it is still not showing, kindly close the app and open Instagram again. Now here go to inbox and definitely the pop-up is start showing. Here click on try it and after that you need to click on how it works and Instagram will guide you to tap and go the next photo. So all you just need to tap on this Instagram instant and it will switch to the next one. So this way by tapping on instants you can move to the next instance. And here you can see emojis. So by clicking on any emoji you can react on that instant. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.